Hey everybody, it's Sterling
and Valerie,
and we're going to do just a quick unboxing of a pillow that we bought on Amazon. It's a TravelEase contour memory foam pillow for it's orthopedic for neck pain, and we're going to check it out and just give our initial reactions to it. So let's take a look. It's pretty, must be, it's memory foam, so it's also called a travel pillow. So we'll see.
Maybe it's folded in half.
Yeah, it feels like memory foam.
Cool. I'm excited.
Yep, this is for Valerie. She's been experiencing some neck pain.
Always in search of the perfect pillow. My down feather is flat and dying.
Ergonomic design.
That looks good.
Or ergonomic.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Okay, open her up.
It's great. Wow, it comes in a really nice thing. And this was only...
That's the travel part.
Yeah, it was only like $24.
You are the deal finder.
Oh, it's like a string bag.
Awesome. So I can carry that on the plane.
Yeah, we'll see.
Hey.
So this is initial reactions to the pillow.
Wow. So it looks full size.
Yeah, it does.
And I like flat.
Right. Val likes a nice flat pillow, so...
nobody would use my pillows.
Saw in the reviews that it was only 2 inches on one side and 4 inches on the other, and they thought that was kind of small. But that might be perfect for Valerie.
And it says back or side.
Yeah.
So, and I'm a flipper. All over.
This is... There's a zipper cover.
Nice.
And then a supposedly, yeah, it's sewn on. The inner cover is not
removable. I think we did read that.
Yeah, we did read that.
And this outer cover is so soft.
Right.
Nice.
So we're going to put a pillowcase on it and
just to protect it.
Just put it to the test.
Okay, right here on the chair.
Okay.
Let's see. Say hi. I didn't get any of your face today. Oh, there we are.
Hey, there we are. Both of us.
Okay, this is a first. I'm usually the one that puts pillowcases. Oh, it slips in nicely.
Okay, so.
Okay, let's take a walk.
This is our condo in Florida.
Part of it.
Little tiny 1-bedroom, 1 bathroom.
I haven't totally cleaned up yet
so
today.
There's a indentation here. This is the thin side back here and the thick side here. So we're just going to put that on there. Good night, everyone.
It's nap time already? How's it feel?
I can see where this would be good.
Okay.
Oh, here, let's let you try it out. We'll be careful.
Oh, I think I'm in love. No, seriously. I think this is going to be great.
So,
let you know tomorrow morning.
Yeah. So if you like our pillow, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see how this goes. You can check our review on Amazon.com. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Good night, Valerie.